Love it. Welcome back to Saving Mamacita. So glad you guys could join me here today. I know why you're here. You want a little fun. You want some unboxing action of the Curateur Spring 22 box. Well, you came to the right place because I have that here for you today. Finally, so excited to finally have received this box, you guys. I've been waiting and waiting and waiting for this box to arrive. Needless to say, I got the box right here. We are about to unbox Curateur. You guys know this is one of my favorite boxes that I have ever unboxed. If you have not seen any of my videos, you can check those out right up there. Let's do it. It is a fashion slash, I like to actually call it a style box, simply because you're going to be getting a variety of items in this box. It isn't just straight up fashion. Here's what it looks like inside. As Curateur, the premier shopping membership, join our community by following us on Instagram. Off the top, right away, we have their booklet. This is actually like a magazine, and I freaking love it because they usually have a feature story in there. This one is Carolina Kurkova, health and happiness. And also inside, they feature the different products that are listed or that are featured in this box, as well as a nice description of each item, how you can style them, that kind of thing. Usually a letter from Rachel Zoe. Love this queen. Freaking queen. Yes, queen. To inspire you all this season, we wanted to capture everything that spring represents. And the really fun thing about this box is you actually can choose a couple of the items that you want to receive inside this box. I don't remember which ones they were because it has been so long since I actually chose these items. So I think it's actually still gonna be a surprise for me. What I love about this box is the value of each item is freaking huge. Yes, it is a little bit on the higher end as far as the price goes. It is $99.99, basically $100 per season, but the value is usually double, triple, if not quadruple that amount retail wise. So definitely worth every freaking penny. Let's go ahead and unbox, and then we will go ahead and rate this box. Some white tissue paper with the Curateur sticker on top. Yes! Looks like we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. You can see already there's some fun in there. This was one of my customized items that I wanted in the box. It is a crossbody bag. I love the color. Look at this, it's like a saddle bag. As you can see, it's small and it has a strap on the back, and inside, tissue paper, but inside, it's pretty decent size. You can fit a wallet in there, you can fit your phone in there. Definitely a nice size, especially if you're traveling this season or even the summer. This would make a great transitional piece into summer as well. So looking inside the book here, there's Miss Rachel with the bag. It's vegan leather, and oh, I like that. So look at how they did that. They had a scarf and then they added it onto the bag like that. Super cute. Look at that. That's a cute outfit, and I love how that bag looks with that dress. Super cute. Totally my style. I love that. It's a Rachel Zoe Edessi, is that how you say it? Edessi crossbody and belt bag. I love this, it's so cute. Next item is a brand that I am familiar with, PERRICONE MD Cold Plasma Plus Eye Cream. Not used this eye cream before. I know that it's expensive. So this PERRICONE MD Cold Plasma Plus Advanced Eye Cream. Here's what it looks like. It's a really good size too. Super excited to try that. Gently pat onto the eye area using your ring finger. Use morning and evening, so you can use it both morning and evening, and then keep out of your eyes. Yeah. I have not actually purchased it on my own because it is expensive. The value on that is, you ready for it? $110. The crossbody bag has a value of $85. So there you go. You've already pretty much invested your seasonal pay into those two items already. I just don't understand how they come up with that price point for eye creams and facial cleansers and things like that. Do you guys know? I mean, everything is so expensive, especially when it comes to skincare. I just don't understand why. Enlighten me. If you know, let me know down in the comments section down below. Next item we have is Double Date Wander Beauty Lip and Cheek. Ooh. This is called Honeymoon is the color. That is perfect. I love that. Love that. This lip and cheek is $22 value on this, which is fairly reasonable for something like this. So it opens up like that. So here's what it looks like. The other part opens like that. So it's a mirror as well. Like the concept of that. That is really cool. We've got two more things left. The next item is Curateur earrings. Designed by MARRIN Costello and inspired by Rachel Zoe, this exclusive collection is our first demi-fine capsule, created with a 14-karat gold-plated sterling silver base and white topaz precious stones. These delicate pieces will take you from day to night with ease, and in true shop MARRIN Costello form, the MC by RZ collection is hypoallergenic, water-resistant, and effortless for every day. I love that it's hyperallergenic. I actually am allergic to fake metals, so I would definitely know if some jewelry is fake, because I would start breaking out, getting itchy, that kind of thing. So you can't fool me. Oh my goodness, these are super cute. They have them in a little zippy bag here, like little hoops. I have them individual here, but I'll show you how adorable. Oh gosh, look at that stone. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Oh my gosh, that is super pretty. I love those little hoops. I love hoops, and I don't have a small pair like this, so this will be really, really fun. These hoops are $62. And the final item, you guys, we have a pair of St. Owen by Curateur sunglasses. I needed a new pair of sunglasses, so I think this is going to be perfect for me. You guys ready for these? These are freaking fabulous. Fabulous. Oh my goodness. Love. These have a value of $95. Let's try these on. All right, you guys. That concludes the Curateur Spring 2022 unboxing. Let's go ahead and do a quick review, and then we will rate this box. So we've got the tortoise sunglasses, $95 value on those. Little mini hoop earrings, $65 value on those. Wander Double Date Lip and Cheek, $22 value. The PERRICONE MD Eye Cream, $110 value. The Rachel Zoe Crossbody Belt Bag, $85. All of those items, and you guys, $99.99 for your seasonal box. As you can see, the value is well beyond that amount. So what do you guys think? Are you ready to rate this box? Let's go ahead. Go ahead and rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that box. Okay, you guys, so when we rate the box, we rate based on a scale of 1 to 10. 1 being, don't buy that box. Or 10, yes, queen, you need to buy this freaking box. When we rate the box, we rate based on a few different factors. We rate based on the presentation of the box. We rate based on the value of the items in the box compared to the actual price of the subscription box itself. the variety of the items, the quality of the items, all of those things we use to calculate, to tabulate, and to figure out a fair rating for the subscription box. Put your thinking hats on, because we are about to hit that drum roll, please. Curateur Spring 2022 box, you are going to get a rating of a 9. Curateur has never, ever disappointed me. Never. I freaking love Rachel Zoe's style. I love the items that she picks out. I love trying the products that I've never heard of that are backed by Rachel Zoe, simply because I know they are going to be great products. I just freaking know it. Yes, queen. Super excited for all of these items in the box, you guys. Cannot wait to try them all. So what did you guys rate the box? Let me know down in the comment section down below. Did you enjoy this video? If you did, please hit that like button, subscribe button, the notification bell, and we will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.